You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more confusing food names, French cooking terms that many mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more, become part of the community. In French, in France, it is said as Meuniere, Meuniere. So in English, you can say it as Meuniere, Meuniere, Meuniere. And that's a type of preparation, including from fish. The word itself means from the miller's wife, because it's kind of traditional recipe that is associated with the millers, because it's made with flour. That's what it means, Meuniere. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.